Hello and welcome to Security. This is a continuation of the Cybersecurity Homelab Project. And today we're going to be joining a Windows 10 machine to our Active Directory domain. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to confirm that your machine is getting an IP address from your Dhcp server on your domain. And that's what we're going to do right away. We'll pull up the command prompt and we'll check the IP configuration. And you can see it's getting an IP address on the domain. So next thing we'll do is we'll go to click on Start and go to this PC and go to Properties. So now we'll scroll down to the bottom, click on About, and click on Rename this PC Advanced. So here we click on where it says to use a wizard to join a domain or workbook group. We click on Network ID. Here it says the computer is part of business network. We select that, just click on Next. My computer uses a network with the domain, click on Next, and click on Next again. Here you need to specify the domain name of the domain you're trying to join, and also an account on the domain. For example, you already know the user account that's going to be on this PC as an administrator. You can put in that account. So I'm just going to leave it as administrator for now, using the credentials of the administrator account. And here I'm going to put in the name of the computer on the domain, which I'm going to give it WS10, and again the domain, which is my domain, which is homelab.local. So I specify that and I click on Next. And to confirm, you need to use an account that has administrative privileges on the domain. So I'm going to use the administrator account once more, put in the username, the password, and specify the domain one more time, which is homelab.local. And I click on Next. So I click on Finish, and it says you need to restart to apply the changes. I click on Finish. So changes should take effect after I restart. Click on OK and click on Restart now. So now the system is restarting. I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so now we're done restarting, and then we're going to be able to log into our domain. So rather than using a local account, which is CAS, I'm going to click on Other User, and here you see it says Sign in to Homelab. So I'm going to confirm that I'm able to sign in with an account I already created in the domain. Since I got the username wrong, I'm going to try another username. I put in the password. That might be the wrong password. I'll try it again. Okay, so yes, now I'm able to log into the domain. I'll just wait for it to set everything up. It says we're getting everything ready for you. So now we are ready and we're logged onto the domain. So there are different ways of confirming that we are actually logged onto the domain. One way is to go to Settings, click on System, and scroll down to About. And here we can already see that in the full device name, we can see it's in the domain.homelab.local. But another way we can do that is to click on Rename this PC. And now we have to put in an administrative password on the domain. And you can see here it says domain homelab. So put in an administrative password and account and the password. Just try the password again. Yeah, now we're in. So you can see the full computer name, which is a fully qualified domain name for this endpoint, and the domain as well, which is homelab.local. So we have successfully joined the Windows 10 client to our Active Directory domain environment, and In the next video, we're going to join an Ubuntu client as well to our Active Directory environment. So as usual, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.